Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. Today I'll be showing you guys my my driving lessons with my dad that I took yesterday. I wanted to share it with you guys as to how my journey was. It was good. This car that we're driving in, it's a standard car. It's not the normal Matic. So in order for the car to move off, as you could see before, you have the clutch, the brake and the gas. So in order to move off, your foot has to be on the clutch while it's on the gas, and you got to first you put it in gear, sorry, and then when you put it in gear, you have to sink down the clutch and put it in the gear that you want, right? So when you put it in the gear, then you place your feet on the clutch while on the gas, taking your time to lift off, I guess you could say that. And then when you see it gives you that movement, if it's moving off, then you let go of the clutch, and afterwards you press on the gas. In order to slow down, you need your clutch and your brake, then place the gear in neutral.
You mean with her? You have to check for yourself, you know. Yeah. But next time when you start, I make you shut up by yourself like we do quite in a car. You do better on the third. Right, so you know what the car wants. Yeah, right. You have to angry yourself, man. So when you learn to stop, move off, and your second, and when you can straight third gear, you're gone.
Third gear.
Yeah. But not try to change it. That's why you would see your second and not the Move off, it's better. I want that.
As some of you guys might recognize that we keep going in circles, it's like my first official driving lessons. I did have driving lessons before, I should say, and this is like my first official where it takes like a lot of time to help me practice. And yeah, so we were on the ball field in my community, and it took us like about 19 minutes, so I cut this video very short for you guys, about 5 minutes and something long, I think. Yeah. Oh, and I should add that my dad left us, me and my cousin, the one that's recording, in the car, so I did do it by myself without him having to tell me what to do, which was a big improvement. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for sharing this journey with me. I think we have reached the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This really helps me a lot. Don't forget to like. Yeah, until next time guys, bye. Hey.